Welcome to MatheNatic. In this video, I quickly want to revise a few concepts on sigma notation. Firstly, sigma notation refers to Sn. So Sn is the sum of terms. So that is term 1 plus term 2 plus term 3 and so forth. Then within our notation, we have something in the middle here, or the body, that represents the sequence. Now, this sequence can either be arithmetic, that means a constant difference between terms, or it can be geometric, with a constant ratio between terms. So, for example, we can have sigma of 3n plus 4, that is arithmetic, or we can have sigma as 3 times 2 to the power of k minus 1, which represents a geometric series. The other part in our sigma notation is we have a bottom limit and a top limit. So the lower limit would represent your first substitution. So I'll start by substituting k, or the variable inside of my body, with 1, or whatever value I have here. And I'll continue substituting up until I reach the upper value. So let us say we have a sigma notation of 5 and a k value of 3, and we have 3k plus 4. That means my first substitution would be 3. Then my second term would be 3 times 4 plus 4. And then my last term would be my upper limit. So it's 3 times 5 plus 4. So all that this lower limit represents is the first value that you would substitute, and the upper limit is the last value that you would substitute. And then lastly, the number of terms in a sigma notation is the top limit minus the bottom limit, or the lower limit, plus 1. And that's how you establish how many terms you would have in your sequence. In the next videos, we'll focus on a few examples with regards to sigma notation. Thank you for watching. Support us by liking and subscribing to MatheNatic. Check out our Digistore for math study notes, with free downloads for statistics and financial math. Follow the link in the video description.